Yeah, Sifu Kairesh here. How are you all doing? How are you all doing? All right, so today I'm going to show you some of my students' videos and let's see what they have to say about it after attending my masterclass. Zoom, let's have a look.
你好，我叫 Johannes，我来自 Cheras，我在 KL 工作，我是一个商人，工作范围是消防安全。我想学中文，因为可以和客户沟通。If someone told me that I could speak that much of Mandarin before joining Sifu Kairesh class, I would have laughed at them. But then here I am doing it, you know. That's the, how to say, that's the specialty of Sifu Kairesh class. Okay. Because a lot of people make promises, right? But very rarely they deliver. But Sifu Kairesh delivers what he promises. So when you join Sifu Kairesh class, if he promise you can go back home talking Mandarin after 3 days, he will make sure you do it. Okay. And with Sifu Kairesh is that like he's, how to say, he's dedicated to making you learn Mandarin. It's not just, okay, I've taught you what I want, you all need to know for speaking Mandarin. Okay, now you all have to go and practice and you do it on your own. You know, it's just about you practicing. It's not like he is genuinely concerned that every student needs to practice and needs to speak fluently. So whatever doubts you have, he clears it. Anytime you can ask him anything and he's there to guide you and to make sure you eventually end up speaking fluent Mandarin. Okay. So my biggest fear actually was not even learning Mandarin, but how I'm gonna make it through for 3 days, morning to evening Mandarin classes. Okay, because my attention span is not the best. So I was wondering, like, am I gonna zone out or am I gonna sleep off during the class or not concentrate? But the thing is that his class was so interactive and fun that before we knew it, like we went into class, before I knew it, it was lunchtime. Again, we had class. Before I knew it, it was end of the day. First day that went by, second day went by, and third day went by just like that. Okay. So it was really fun. It was nice. And the best part is there was so much of substance in the class despite having so much fun. And we learned quite a bit. Okay. So if you've always wanted to take up Mandarin or if you've always wanted to learn Mandarin, give Sifu Kaire's Mandarin Masterclass a try. Okay. And I promise you, you will not regret it. Okay. And for those of you who wanted to know what I spoke in the beginning part of the video, join Sifu Kaire's class and you'll know.
This is so cool. Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me this testimonial. All right, so anyway, this is my students who just completed, I think the 3 days masterclass. Of course, there's more to it, but this is one of it that they were asked to do an assignment of introducing themselves and why they want to learn Mandarin. All right, so anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below. Let me know what do you think about my students. All right, 谢谢你，再见。